Okay, so we got the portable ice maker 2-liter retro red, and it really came packaged well. It looked like a good brand, something that we could use. Has a 1-year warranty, it says. And there are some features. It has the ABS plastic, retro red, of course. There was no other color it was available. They were out in other colors, or maybe it just wasn't an option here. Has the push button controls, 2-side option, large and small, 9-bullet ice pieces per time. It can make ice in about 6 to 13 minutes. But what did we find out, about 10 minutes? 9.5 to 10 minutes at the temperature today. I have a feeling if it's a hot day, it's probably going to take longer than that, and that's a little bit of our issue with it. It says it'll make, in 24 hours, it can make 26 pounds of ice. The basket volume will hold about 1.5 pounds or 0.7 kilograms. It has a full ice water shortage button that tells you you need to refill the water. Ice scoop and ice basket. Convenient, easy to clean. Yeah, I'd say it was easy to clean it up. And 120 watts, not too bad. And the voltage is 220 here. Don't know if you need any serial numbers or codes. If you wanted NTI, you can get all the info on this one NTI online. All right, so let's go look at it. That was packaged well from the company. Had lots of foam and everything. Looks like it was, I don't know why this was, the plastic was ripped a little bit. They probably tried it out. Usually here in Thailand, Southeast Asia, they will try your stuff out to make sure it works. It's a little bit noisy. Not too bad, I guess. Maybe a little bit louder than a desktop computer. Not a laptop, but the old school type. It puts out a lot of heat, of course, because it's got a Freon and compressor in here. This right here is pretty hot. I can still touch it, but the heat's going up into the top, and there's a crack right here. You can see through the top. I don't know with the lighting in here if you can see, but I'll show you. Maybe, oh, I can't turn the camera, but you can see right there, there's a crack all the way around the top. So a lot of the coolness, I think, is escaping out. Maybe just, it does make ice. The ice is melting before we get to the next cycle. You can see the drips on there, and it's just like melting as it's making. So it's having a hard time even trying. This is our, we went through the cleaning cycle. So we clean like whatever it will hold, 1 liter, 2 liters of water. We ran through there, some vinegar and everything to clean it out, make sure our ice tastes good and fresh. And this is the first time we're making ice with it. So we ran 1 or 2 liters through it. Now we're doing 1 or 2 liters of clean water that we can actually use the ice if it will make it fast enough, but it's actually kind of melting. As soon as it makes, you can see the water droplets everywhere. I think because it's not very cool. This lid is just barely cool to the touch. One side's cool and one side's hot. Back here where probably the compressor and the fan's at, it's pretty hot. And so I've even turned on the air in another room and tried to blow it in here, trying to cool it down to make it do better. I just don't think it's going to keep up. So anyway, this was our purchase. This was our review of it. We're not getting paid anything for any review, and we're fixing to take it back. But I thought before we take this back, we should do a little review and let you know what we thought about it. I think the price was probably reasonable, but I don't think it can keep up. I don't think it can make ice in Southeast Asia. It's too slow, and it's just too hard of a project for it. But anyway, you might try it. It might work better. If you have a good, cool house here in Southeast Asia, I'd like to know how you do that. But for us, it's not a practical purchase. Hope you have a good time, good day, and see you next time.